How to save the export videos from the CapCut to your gallery. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can save your export videos from your CapCut to your gallery. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your app store or the play store that you are using, and here you have to go on the search and simply search for the CapCut. Now once you are in the CapCut, you just have to click on it and make sure that your CapCut application is updated. And after updating it, you just have to go back and open up your CapCut application. And from here, you just have to simply select the video that you want to export, or you can also go on the new project and you just have to simply select the project, and from here you just have to go on the trim and select the part that you want to export in your gallery, and you just have to click on the add. And after adding it, here you can edit it as you want, and you can do the changes as the overlay, effects, ratio, and many more options. So once you edit your video, what you have to do is simply click on this arrow icon that is in the top right corner, and here you have to wait for it to export. And after exporting the video, you just have to click on the done. Now how you can also share this video on the other platforms like the TikTok, Instagram, or the Instagram stories, WhatsApp, Facebook. And if you don't want to share, you just have to simply click on the done. And after that, you have to go back and open up your gallery, and as you can see, the video is export to your gallery. So that's how you can save your export video from your CapCut to your gallery. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.